In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tasks in Grok. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a one-off or recurring task so Grok can run it for you automatically. First, open your browser and go to grok.com. Once you're in, look over to the left sidebar. That's your main navigation hub. Find your profile icon there and click it to open your personal menu. From that menu, choose Tasks. This takes you to the place where all your scheduled automations live. Next, select Create Task. This opens a new task window where you'll define when and how your task should run. Start with Frequency. This setting controls how often Grok triggers the task. Choose once if you want it to run a single time at a specific moment. Pick Daily if it should run every day at the same time. Select Weekly to have it repeat once a week, ideal for things like Monday summaries. Choose Monthly if it needs to run on the same date each month, great for end-of-month reports. And select Yearly for annual reminders or reviews. If you're unsure, start with once and adjust later when you know what works best. After choosing the frequency, set the time. Be precise here. Double-check the hour and minutes, and make sure you've got AM or PM correct if that's displayed. A quick tip, think about when the inputs for this task are most up to date. For example, early morning can be perfect for overnight summaries, while late afternoon might be better for progress check-ins. When the time looks right, click OK to confirm. Now it's time to tell Grok what to do. In the prompt field, write a clear, specific instruction. Describe the goal, any key details or constraints, and the desired format of the output. For example, instead of summarize updates, try summarize today's top 3 project updates in 3 short bullet-style lines with a one-sentence takeaway at the end. Specificity helps Grok deliver exactly what you need consistently. Once your prompt is set and the schedule looks good, click Create Task. That's it. Your task is now scheduled and Grok will handle it at the times you defined. If you ever need to refine the wording or adjust the schedule later, you can return to Tasks and make changes without starting from scratch. Thanks for watching. Follow these steps whenever you want to automate a process in Grok, and you'll save time while keeping your workflows running smoothly.